The 25 years this year since its inception, and the marathon has been a driving force for wildlife conservation, community development and healthcare, and also education across Kenya and beyond. Marathon is set for June 28th at Lewa Conservancy in northern Kenya.
While it is indeed one of the world's toughest marathons and dubbed a must-do in the athletic and amateur running communities, it is also a powerful vehicle for change that has raised over $9 million since its inception. And that in shillings is well over 1 billion shillings. Every stride taken and every one of these shillings raised supports the frontline conservation efforts of 10 conservation organizations across Kenya. And that includes Lewa Wildlife Conservancy.
We actually serve community with our products and services. Connectivity and M-Pesa have been a game changer in terms of connecting people, to opportunities and to knowledge. And in particular, as we celebrate 18th on M-Pesa, the financial inclusion component has been very significant. So Lewa brings all those three things together. It's about running, it's about health and safety, it's about giving to community, but it's also about showcasing the power of technology. So delighted that we are here and we are.
Now to matters football, especially the Under-17 World Cup. Junior starlets are wrapping up their preparations ahead of the Sunday's